Hello guys, welcome to another geopolitical analysis video. I want to focus on rates and the TLT, the asymmetric trade we've discussed. We are at a very pivotal moment when it comes to the long rates, as this reflects also institutional buying and foreign policy trade. It's less controlled by the Federal Reserve. So this is very interesting. I really want to focus here because there seems to be a pattern here that many are calling. I have discussed as well. Whenever there's a downtrend movement for a long period of time, we see that the fourth time it pierces, there's usually a breakout to the upside. We are at that moment here, and you can see there's a battle going on here. I've discussed this several weeks now, months, that the battle will be played around here. It was the golden ratio, and this is right now a pivotal moment for rates. Either we break out, we reverse after this major resistance and support level that has been going on for the last few weeks, and we break up much higher to test the 5.07%, or we have a decisive breakdown. This is a major support level. You'll see that you'll probably find that this will be a magnet for the near future, but we're at a very pivotal point. We have to see what's going on with rates. Either this is going to break down much lower, which I still believe this is my thesis, and we're going to see the TLT skyrocket, or we're going to see the TLT test this trend line. It's at major resistance now. We're either going to break out to retest these levels and move much higher, or we're going to have a major rejection and head down to the lower 80s. So this is a telltale sign that we have come to the threshold where there's a fork in the road. We have to decide which way we're going. We cannot maintain these levels here for much longer, because the pattern itself is showing us that there has never been a period of time where you spend such a long time at these levels without a decisive breakout or breakdown. Any time we were in these levels, we would break down decisively. Sometimes when we would have a small breakout, we would test much higher. So we are at this pivotal point right now that we have to look at. Now, when it comes to TLT, I still do think that TLT is the place to be. In the meantime, we might see some weakness, because if we follow the ratio with the markets are still in this bullish period where we need to see much higher. So maybe the TLT trade is postponed for a bit longer until we top, because we're noticing that the market is reaching this this triangle, this wedge that needs to have a decisive breakout or breakdown. Okay, we're coming to a point that this is tightening, and we see the range is tightening. So either we're going to see a decisive breakdown or breakup. If we see the market's top, then that's when there's going to be a huge market reversal, capital reversal towards TLT. If the market still has room to move much higher, TLT might be postponed. That's my thesis. I want you guys to enjoy this video, like, comment, subscribe, share this across, and we'll see you on our next one. Thank you. Bye for now.